everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video series, we will be following the book Crew Resource Management, where we go through the chapters and explain the key concepts in a simple and clear way. In today's video, we will focus on the crew concept, which is one of the most important topics in crew resource management. We will look at the differences between groups, teams, and crews and understand why coordination between crew members is essential in aviation. So let's get started. In this chapter, we focus on the crew concept, which is a fundamental idea in crew resource management. The success of many aviation missions does not depend only on individual skills, but also on how well crew members cooperate, communicate, and coordinate with each other. The need to work together arises when individuals realize that it's not possible to complete certain tasks alone within a limited time. Research from prehistoric societies to modern organizations shows that collaboration plays a key role in success. In today's world, where knowledge, time, and human resources are highly valued, working together as a crew has become increasingly important. First, let's understand the concept of a group. A group is generally defined as a collection of people who come together because they share common interests, ideas, or goals. However, the level of coordination and specialization in a group is usually limited compared to teams or crews. For a community to be considered a group, certain characteristics must exist. First, there must be identifiable members, meaning at least two individuals. Members should also see themselves as part of the same group and share common goals or interests. Additionally, there must be interaction between members and they should depend on each other to some extent in order to achieve their objectives. A team is a more specific type of group that is formed around a central purpose. In a team, members complement each other through their different skills, professions, and responsibilities. Teams usually have a leader who provides direction and helps guide the members toward their goals. They rely on effective communication, collaboration, and joint decision making. Members of a team also share responsibility for the final results, which encourages cooperation and commitment. Now, let's move on to the concept of a crew. A crew is a group of two or more individuals who work together in constant interaction and cooperation to fulfill a specific task or mission. Crew members usually have specialized roles and must support each other, especially when working under changing or challenging conditions. Although teamwork and crew work are similar, there is an important difference. Teamwork mainly focuses on cooperation and coordination between members. Crew work, on the other hand, focuses on successfully completing a mission where members are highly dependent on each other. Because of this interdependence, the combined performance of a crew can often be greater than the sum of individual efforts. In teams, members may not always need highly specialized skills, and performance is often based on individual contributions. In crews, however, members usually have specific expertise and clearly defined roles. In aviation, crews are essential for completing flight missions safely and effectively. The flight crew typically includes pilot and other personnel depending on the type of aircraft and the mission. However, the concept of a crew in aviation also includes individuals who support the mission, such as air traffic controllers, maintenance team, dispatchers, and safety officers. All of these individuals contribute to the success of the flight. Several factors influence crew behaviors in aviation. These include roles, norms, status, and authority. Roles describe the expected responsibilities and behaviors of crew members. Norms, on the other hand, are the unwritten rules that regulate behavior within the crew. Authority refers to the proper use of leadership and decision-making, while status reflects the hierarchy within the crew. Understanding these concepts help improve coordination and safety during the flight operation. Now, it's time for a short knowledge check. Answer the questions appearing on the screen and write your answers in the comment section. This will help you review the concepts we discussed in this video and test your knowledge of the topic. Once you submit your answers, we will review them and share the correct results with you. And that brings us to the end of today's video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more videos in our Crew Resource Management series. In the next video, we will continue exploring more concepts from the Crew Resource Management book. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.